Looking for the best insoles? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 insoles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Timberland Pro Anti-Fatigue Technology Replacement Insole. Reduces, even eliminates, back pain and leg fatigue for those who work all day on hard or concrete floors. Multiple sizes to choose from for men, XS, XXL. Ideal for work boots and steel toe boots. Work just as well, if not better than expensive insoles at half the price. Hold up 6 months to a year. Zero complaints in the comfort department. The best insoles for work boots that also reduce tiredness on the job. Must trim to fit. Not recommended for sports shoes or sneakers. At number 2. PowerStep Pinnacle Shoe Insoles. Sturdy and semi-rigid without being uncomfortable. Instant pain relief for long-time sufferers of foot issues like plantar fasciitis, works even better than expensive custom orthotics for some. No trimming necessary. Works in athletic, casual, dress, and work boots. A popular insole that's great for any foot issues and versatile for any shoe type. Because this insole supports all arch types, not enough arch for some. There's a breaking-in period that requires patience. At number 1. Superfeet Green Premium U-Shoe Care Kit. Popular with reviewers who work in the service industry like nurses, chefs, and waitresses. Unisex with several sizes to choose from. Remarkable reports of complete reduction of foot pain and problems after use. A great all-around insole with high arch support. Not for high-impact activities, like running. There's an initial break-in period of a couple weeks. Pricey. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.